Good morning everyone, it's day 2 in the new workshop. So what I'm using here on the RSJ that I've just cleaned is something called Deox Gel by Bilt Hamber. You normally find me using this on car bodies and chassis to kill any remaining rust after I've treated an area. So it's a gelled formulation. You simply get some on a brush or a roller and paint it on. And you can leave it 12 hours, 24 hours, you can agitate it, you can apply another layer afterwards, and what it does is basically kills any remaining rust, converts it to metal, and if you really want you can use something called Hydrate 80, also by Bilt Hamber, which provides a sort of primed surface ready to paint on. This is definitely one of the fun parts of getting this garage ready. Oh my God! Safety first. That marks another day of successful prep work, rust proofing, grinding off the end of the screw ends, cutting up of loads of old units. That's basically the junk pile there. And we now have a finished, well, almost finished wall ready for new units. Sadly, we had a tragedy as well. This hammer decided to give up after a lot of dismantling, but we have some spares, thank God. Right, again, day 2, over and out.